Animation is fun and limitless, but its creation demands a lot of time, effort, and most importantly, skill. Animators have always tried to find ways to increase their efficiency without sacrificing quality. Others who have near to no animation skills are dying to try it without having to learn all the traditional, complicated ways of doing it. That's where artificial intelligence enters the scene. There's nothing AI can't do for you. It can analyze vast image datasets, create landscapes, and bring you advanced animation in no time. So, if you struggle with creating animations, here's how AI can save the day. How AI and animation are connected. One of the latest innovations in animation is AI video prompt animations. This helps content creators to generate high-quality animations from simple text prompts. This was made possible with the help of AI diffusion models. They are trained to produce realistic images and videos based on textual inputs. That's why these models are so good at handling complicated tasks, such as creating 3D rotating objects. How AI can make your animations better. You can change static images into high-quality animations with AI video prompt animations. This way you can make your content a lot more interactive and instantly capture the viewer's attention. In the end, people will remember your work, and there will be many more chances of it being shared. We all know how the conventional animation creation process can be time-consuming. Not to mention, it also becomes a huge financial burden. In stark contrast to that, AI animations produce content through automation, which is a lot faster and reduces costs as well. It also lets you generate a large volume of content in less time. Plus, AI animations are super beneficial for people who own their own businesses. Whether it's a logo revelation, product presentation, or character animation, AI video prompt animations convey your brand's message in the most brilliant ways possible. The animation that the AI tool creates is entirely unique. Now, if you think that the content would be low quality, think again. The animations seamlessly adapt to diverse platforms and formats. Whether for social media posts, website banners, presentations, or email marketing, AI animations sit well within the context of your choice without any issues. But does one need any skills to get all these benefits out of AI-generated animations? Not at all. Proficiency as an animator is not a requirement when it comes to making impressive animations with AI video generators. These tools mostly consist of user-friendly interfaces and intuitive controls, which makes them accessible to users with a wide range of technical skills. Whether you're a pro or a beginner, you can use AI animation generators with no difficulty. Now that you know why AI animations can turn out very successful, here are several ways you can use AI to create videos for you. Text-to-video models. AI can create videos from text, and Google's Imagen Video showed it can do this well. It's a big step in AI tech. This technology uses general-purpose video synthesis models, which create videos based on input like text and visual cues. The end result is always the highest quality, with the kind of detail that will blow your mind. So basically, you can turn words into exciting videos. An example of this would be Google. They had a challenge to make videos that follow the text like a story. This was hard because each part had to match the text and fit in. But while these can only get you smaller videos, technology has advanced beyond that. Longer 3D videos. You can create longer videos with the help of AI technology, and these will turn out just as high quality as the shorter videos. This is shown by Meta's Make a Video model, which can generate catchy, one-of-a-kind videos using nothing more than a few lines or words as input. This opens up a lot of new possibilities for storytelling and content creation. But that's not all. AI systems aren't just restricted to two-dimensional videos. In fact, they can now produce 3D rotating objects as part of their animations. This adds an extra layer of engagement and interactivity to video content, making it even more appealing to viewers. But if you want to go even further, don't worry. There's another, much more advanced option for you. Infinite Nature. Created by Google's research scientists, Noah Snavely and Junki Lee, Infinite Nature is a program that brings technology and nature together. It uses the power of AI animation to change still images into animations with 3D rotating objects and landscapes. Infinite Nature is much more advanced than the earlier text-based image generation models. Instead of relying solely on text prompts, it takes visuals from still images. This approach can end up benefiting several sectors of the industry. It can help enhance gaming experiences and virtual reality to bring a positive change to advertising campaigns. One of the greatest features of this AI-generated content is the amazing video quality it produces, with a resolution of 1280 x 768, which is a pretty high-quality format for an AI tool. This not only opens up exciting possibilities for content creators, but also offers viewers an amazing visual to enjoy. Now that you know all the ways AI can help you create animations, here are some of the best AI-powered tools to help you achieve your goals. Runway. Their Gen 2 text-to-video model is redefining content creation, taking it to a whole new level. Think of it as Google's image and video, but with a broader range of features that let you make longer, more captivating videos. This program goes beyond the ordinary and generates 3D rotating objects. It churns out the most beautiful 1280 x 768 videos, outshining previous text-to-image models like OpenAI's DALL-E 2. This is what you need to get started with AI animation. Runway AI simplifies tasks that would otherwise be time-consuming. It's got automatic motion tracking, with which hours of work shrink to just a few minutes. It even handles green screen removal, sparing you the headache of post-production. But the greatest feature this program has is object removal. You can make people or objects vanish from your video by using AI diffusion models. So you don't even need any reshoots or expensive CGI effects to get things done. Runway AI doesn't just promise things, it delivers to the fullest. This program is ideal for businesses that want to begin with content marketing and SEO. If you require professionally presented, high-quality video examples and efficiency in your game, Runway has your back. Synthesia. With this program, video content creation becomes a breeze. You can craft high-quality visuals with this massive collection of avatars. Each one is based on real people, ready to impart information across various contexts like onboarding, training, or courses. Plus, you can even create custom avatars based on you or someone else. This feature gets rid of the need for personal recordings, which saves both time and resources. In the end, you get super realistic videos that could easily be mistaken for actual footage. But the real appeal of Synthesia lies in its simplicity. Once you give it a script, the program handles the rest and skillfully transforms text prompts into speech. The voices sound entirely natural, and they're all perfectly synchronized with the avatar's lip movements. Once you've got your basic video, you might want to enhance some things and refine it to get to the final product. This is where the next AI-powered program comes in. Descript. This is a video and audio editing software that takes your media files to the next level. It stands out among other tools because of its accuracy when it comes to transcription, which comes to around 95%. If you're a podcaster who wants text versions or subtitles for your content, this feature has you covered. Descript's studio sound is another great feature. With a single click, it transforms ordinary audio into studio-grade quality without the need for pricey gear or professional recording studios. This can help you produce top-notch podcasts right from your living room. But the real magic happens with overdub. This feature lets you clone voices for post-production corrections or effortless voiceovers. Just type out your script and the AI-generated voice handles the rest. No need to hire a voiceover artist. Videos are at the heart of brand storytelling and engagement, which is why Descript is an essential tool. It saves you time and resources while improving your media game. But with AI models becoming so efficient, there's a major question looming in the air. Will AI replace all animators? AI technologies help content creators in generating high-quality videos with just a simple text prompt. While this is super convenient, it also brings up concerns about the traditional roles in the animation industry. As the text-to-image models have slowly evolved to the latest text-to-video AI diffusion capabilities, there has been a decline in artist commissions. There are way too many factors in play that make AI models seem more appealing than hiring animators to do the job. This means that illustrators and animators will need to adapt their skills to the evolving situation. Animators don't need to let go of their passion. Rather, they need to reshape it into something that will stay relevant in the AI-driven world. For instance, they can focus on polishing skills that AI technology can't accomplish. This will ensure that they remain valuable contributors to the world of animation. But if you're not an animator and you still want to experiment, this is how you start. Let us know in the comments which AI animation tool would suit you the best. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this.